Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm the author of many books on how to draw cartoons, like this one, How to Draw Cartoons, World's Easiest Cartooning Book Ever. Today I'm going to show you something very quick, very easy, but fun. How to make a very powerful and funny expression without much expression at all. So let's start with something I like to draw a lot, which is a bear character, because I think they're funny and they're very malleable. You can really move that shape into all sorts of ways. All right, so here is the basic shape. It's like a cannon, say up here, but it's a bear. So let's put the ears here. And let's put a little interior for them, a little fuzz on top. And let's put a bridge of the nose here on the center, on the eye line. Here's the bridge of the nose, just above the eye line. Here is the nose, also centered on the center line. Okay, now this is all about the eyes, this expression, all about the eyes. It's a droll expression. It's like someone who's just a little upset at something. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw eyes that are flat across the top and the same level on the other side. They have to mimic each other or they will lose their power. Don't let those eyebrows go up or he'll look happy. And don't let them go down or he's going to look angry. We don't want either. We want to kind of right in the middle, which is just, it looks neutral, right? Like you're not doing anything with those eyebrows. They're flat. Not so, my friends. So make them a little thick here. And a little bit of a mark here to show there's a little bit of flexation on that. You know, eyebrows are muscles. That's what they are. They're muscles. So flex those muscles sometimes and make it work. Now let's have the eyes floating in the middle, but touching the tops of the eyebrows. So he's looking right at you. See how the top of the eyebrow is not cut off the eyes? Like that. Now, let's bring them down just a little more. Thicken them just a little more. Let's have the mouth right in the middle, very small, and going down. Now let's take the face out here, and bring it, widen it, curve out, widen it, and bring it back in fast, like this. Curve this way, widen it, and bring that back in fast. We can now make this a muzzle, define it like this. A little bit of shadow under here. I'm going to make this go down just a touch more in the middle, like this. That way I can push down further on the pupils, which I think will give it a little more energy. And let's darken this in. A little shadow here. Tiny shadow for the lower lip. And you got it. That is the unhappy bear. And again, this is done with very little expression, but it's intense. Everything is intense. So I hope that was fun for you to take a look at, and I hope you'll subscribe. New videos every Monday. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.